What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. Wanted to get you guys a couple of new auction cars we've picked up. This one here being a 2013 Subaru Forrester with leather. It's a new car trade-in at, where was this? This was the trade-in at the Acura dealership. Local Chattanooga car. Typical Subaru owner, you know. I love my dogs and my Patagonia and my overpriced shoe store. This thing is clean, y'all. Clean. Oh, these are cat skins. Leather seats. Never seen those before. In person, I haven't. This thing, I thought it seemed kind of like a base trim level. Somebody put these seats in there. Let's see what this thing sounds like. 131,000 miles. Man. Runs pretty darn good. Let's get the AC blowing. We'll get the windows down. We do have a cracked windshield, which stinks. Man, that stinks. So we're gonna have to order us one of those. But this thing is not beat up. It's got almost new Falcon tires on it. It is clean. This is exactly how we picked it up from the auction. And everybody loves a Subaru Forester, man. Especially in these neck of the woods. Heck yeah, man. Even has a Subaru battery. Come on, are you serious? Someone put a Subaru dealership battery in this thing? That's nuts. But I'm glad to see it. I need to look at the Carfax on this one because I know a timing belt change would be, that'd be, looked highly upon. I'd like to know it's been done before 131,000 miles. But this is a Tennessee car from new, no rust. I mean, just a jam up car, man. We're not gonna go far. I don't have any dealer plates with me, and that's the police station there in the blue building, so the cops are all around here, but they usually know it's me driving cars around. But still, I don't feel like any harassment today. It has been a long day and I have not had lunch. See, cop. Copland. This is a cool car. I only saw pictures online when my brother was bidding on it. I said, dude, you need to get that. That thing is clean. And boy, is it a neat little car. This thing is tight. Screwed together real nice. Good suspension, no clunky bumping garbage going on, just nice and smooth. Man, get you a gas gauge. That joker's huge. Yes, nice little rig. God, it's 91 degrees, y'all. 91 degrees. This is just a naturally aspirated, I think 2.5 4-cylinder, right? Flat 4. It's really smooth. Man, and it's got grunt off the line. know what? This is not a CVT. This is actually a 4-speed automatic. No shit. Well, I like it even better now. I mean, I know a 4-speed automatic's kind of archaic, but I like it better than a CVT. Shoot, yeah, man, this thing's great. Slick little car. I mean, just right now, get up and go. Very peppy, very peppy. Let's check out the Passat wagon. That's another one we grabbed up. And you want to talk about cheap? That sumbitch was cheap. Anyway, drop your comments below. Tell me what you think about the 2013 Subaru Outback. That is, oh, all the books right there. That is super, super clean and super fresh and minty, y'all. I don't think anyone carried their golden retrievers in this one, even though they had the stickers for it. I don't think they carried them. It's got ice cold AC. It's 91 degrees out. I mean, runs great. Man, what a good rig. Anyway, this one will be for sale. I got 1 key and 1 fob. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'll post the price in the description. And look for it on Facebook Marketplace. This one is a jewel. I mean, it's, let's see, 2 owner, no wrecks. Been in Tennessee since new. Look at that. Got dual exhaust on a base model. And of course, it's all-wheel drive. Just a clean little SUV, man. I'd love to have that thing for my wife. Really, to be honest with you. Better than that Volvo XC90. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.